Hey, what's up everybody? It's DJ Jer here with Shop Time. One of the things I want to talk to you about with the Freedom Cyc is this doesn't just work great for backlight, it works great for front light as well. So think about when you're doing stage lighting, you have your ellipsoidals way up top and that light is coming down and it creates little shadows here and underneath and so on. So the nice thing with the Freedom Cyc is you can put those right on the front stage, they don't take a huge footprint, and they also look clean. You can pop them up there in seconds because they're battery powered, they're wireless DMX, you can change color options or color temperatures and so on. Right now I have it on a warm color temperature, but basically it's lighting up everything here, so if I have the ellipsoidal, it's going to cover me here and it's going to cover me here using that cyc. So this is a great little fixture. I'll show you exactly what this looks like. If you haven't seen this fixture online or if you haven't seen the other videos that I did for this. So this is the cyc and it has the kickstand so you can actually tip it back. It will actually give you a couple different angles to work with, but this fixture is a phenomenal fixture. Again, go check out my other Shop Time video showing the Freedom Cyc. This is DJ Jer. If you have comments, comment down below. All I can say is thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.